Hey ladies, it's me, Rhonda the Mature Diva, and this is the shoe section of my closet. And I have been struggling. The struggle is real, y'all. I have been struggling for months trying to figure out what to do to organize this section better. So I went to Amazon, got a solution. We're going to try it out. I'm going to tell you about this in my kitchen because right now it's getting hot in here, and this is not like the cute, sexy Nelly kind where it's getting hot in here. No, it's getting really hot up in here. I'm about to sweat. So let's go to the kitchen, discuss this, and then I'm going to show you me putting this together in my closet. Let's do this. Okay, welcome to my kitchen. So I've got several pairs of shoes here. I have the shoe organizer that I purchased on Amazon. I'm going to show you how to put it together, and I'm going to show you how it works. There's only 3 pieces, which makes this really easy to put together. Here's the back piece, and both of these pieces are the same, so you can put them at the bottom or at the top. And this simply slides in. There's 2 little slots here at the bottom. Slide it in. That's your base. Then, depending on the heel height of your shoe, that will determine how high you need to place this piece. So, this is at my tennis shoe by Z Alexis. And so this is the proper height. And all you're gonna do is just snap that in place. You heard that go in place? That was perfect. And then you just slide the other one on top. And now you have aligned shoes in their own spot. The same thing with my heels. They can slide in to the bottom just like that. And then the top. So depending on how you want to see your shoes, I prefer it like this. So therefore, I'm going to just turn my shoe around so when I come into my closet, I can see my shoes like that. And then what happens is when you're in your closet, the experience is going to look a lot like these 2 pieces side by side, looking neater in what you saw of my closet. So now we're going to go back in the closet. I'm going to place these on the shelf along with some other shoes, and then we're going to see how we went from that to something better. Okay, so I've already started placing these on the first shelf. I'm going to go ahead and put these on this shelf, and this shelf, and then I'll come back and show you how it all looks. Okay, here is the first shelf. Looking really good so far. Hey ladies, I'm back. Just want to show you the progress that I've made. This is a set of 12 shoe organizers, and I was able to get 2 of my shelves done. So I'm going to have to order another set of 12 to do the top shelf and the bottom shelf. But I am so pleased in how this is turning out. You remember what this looked like before. So this is just a prime example of some of the affordable tools that you can get on Amazon to help organize your closet, because getting a professional closet organizing company to come out and redo the section was not in the budget for me. So I'm really pleased at what this looks like. I'm going to keep you posted on more progress. I'll make another video when I finish this entire section. All the links to the products that I've shown today will be below. So I can't wait to see you again. Toodles!